Imagine this: you block out time, your staff shows up, the room is prepared, and the clients they never come. No shows are one of the quietest profit killers in med spas, and in 2026, there's absolutely no reason to still be dealing with this manually. So today, we'll show you how top med spas are using AI automation to cut no shows by 40 to 70% without chasing clients or sounding robotic. So we help service-based businesses and med spas design booking systems that don't just look good, they protect your revenue. And one thing has been consistent: the med spas that win in 2026 don't rely on hope and reminder texts, they rely on systems because hope is not a business strategy. Why do med spa no-shows happen? Let's start with the truth. Most no-shows don't happen because clients are rude or anything like that. They happen because the appointment failed, low commitment, perhaps they forgot, they got anxious, or something more urgent showed up. So if your booking process doesn't emotionally lock in the clients, whether it's AI or not, you still get no-shows. Now, let's talk about the old way versus the 2026 way. The old system is, one confirmation email, one reminder text, you keep your fingers crossed. But the new system has multi-touch reminders, human-sounding AI messages, education closed reassurance, smart scheduling. This is what we call client experience automation. So here's the AI no-show prevention stack. The moment someone books, AI sends a confirmation that does three things. First, it confirms date and time. Then it sets expectations. It reinforces the value of the appointment. So for instance, a message like, "We're excited to help you achieve smoother, clearer skin. Your personalized consultation is reserved exclusively for you." Secondly, anxiety-reducing education messages. Many med spa no-shows come from silent fear. So 48 to 72 hours before the appointment, the AI sends the client what to expect, the pain level, downtime, who it's best for. Because when anxiety drops, people can feel easier. No-show rates will go down. Up rather. AI-powered reminder sequencing. So instead of one reminder, use a sequence. 72 hours before you educate, 24 hours before you confirm, 2 hours before a gentle nudge. But here's the key. So AI adjusts the tone based on the behavior. So if they haven't confirmed, it follows up. And if they've confirmed, it reassures them. 4. So smart scheduling instead of cancellation. Your AI should never ask a client, "Do you want to cancel?" It should ask, "Would you like to move your appointment to a better time?" Because this one question saves hundreds of thousands of dollars annually. 5. Deposit plus AI enforcement without awkwardness. See, deposits work, but AI makes them polite and professional. Automated reminders about deposit policies remove emotional friction from your staff. They don't have to keep chasing clients, to get them to make deposits. What are tools med spas are using in 2026? You don't need any complex tech. Most med spas use AI booking systems, WhatsApp or SMS automation, email AI follow-ups, CRM connected calendars. The magic is not the tool, it's in the sequence and the strategy behind the sequence. So here is the exact no-show reduction flow. This is the flow that has worked for several med spas. Well, the client books, they get instant AI confirmation, they get value reinforcing messages, they get an education sequence, they get a reminder with confirmation, they get a smart reschedule option, and of course there's the day of reassurance. This has no chasing, this has no awkward calls, this is just systems working for you. So if your med spa is losing money to no-shows, the fix is not working harder, it's automating smarter. And if you want our med spa no-show prevention setup, or a custom booking system for your med spa, please check the link in the description or comment AI and we'll tell you what system fits your clinic best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and in the next video, we'll break down how to increase average client value without raising your prices. See you in the next one. Cheers.